Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will see how to connect database to our application. First open the Server Explorer, which is the left side of IDE. There is a one data connection tab. Right click on data connection and click add connection. It will show one window in which various database type is exist. Select Microsoft SQL Server database file. I have created one database and I will connect the database with this application. So click on browse button and browse the database where it is located. I have located my database into sample folder and student database. Click on open and click on test connection to test the connection. We can see test connection is succeeded. Press OK and then again OK. Database will be loaded. Just expand the student database. Expand the tables. We can see there is a one table called student master. If you want to open the table definition, then right click on table and then select open definition. We can see various columns or fields in the database. So this way we can connect our database to our application. Thank you.